Hi, I'm Angela Christini. Welcome to 18 Coles Street in Barrie. This home is located in the highly sought after Sunnydale area. It's close to parks, shopping, restaurants, and all the amenities while living in a quiet neighborhood. The kitchen is large with lots of counter space. The island the owner would like to take with them, which makes this a perfect kitchen for eating in. This home has 3 bedrooms on the main floor with the master bedroom double closet. 1 bedroom has been converted into a walk-in closet, although that could be easily converted back into a bedroom. And the bathroom has a shower and jet tub. The lower level has an open concept rec room and living room or family room with a gas fireplace. 2 additional bedrooms and a bathroom with a shower. There's a separate entrance into the garage from the inside, and there's a walkout to the backyard stone patio with a pergola, perfect for entertaining and relaxing. If you have any questions or would like a private showing, please call me. I'm always happy to be of assistance. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.